So let's do the D part of this question. Okay, it goes down with the acceleration of 1.2 meter per second square. So the acceleration, the net acceleration is downwards. So I am writing this downward arrow over here. So this is 1.2 meter per second square. This is the downward acceleration. Now let me draw the free body diagram again. Let me draw it over here. This is the mass m, the upward force is T, and downward force is force due to gravity, which is mg. Now the net acceleration is downwards, so that means mg is greater than T. So we will have mg greater than T. So that means mg minus T is equal to ma. So now the tension T will become again mg minus ma. So let me go to the next page. So T is mg minus ma. That is a net actually. Okay, I didn't write it. Okay, but it is a net. So this is mg minus ma net. So this m can be taken common. This is g minus a net. So m is 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg into 9.8 minus 1.2 meter per second square. So this is 50 into 9.8 minus 1.2 will be 50 into, this is 8.6 kg meter per second square. So 50 into 8.6 is how much? So let me calculate again. 50 into 6, 8.6 is 430. So this is 430. So into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. So here it is 10 to the power minus 3. So this is 0.43 Newton. This is the answer.